Good morning, children. Welcome to your math class. Today, we will learn how to solve word problems based on subtraction. So, let's have a look. So, we will start with first example. Rahul had rupees 8,515 in his bank account. If he withdrew rupees 3,980 for buying a carpet, how much money was left in his account? Withdrew means money nikalna. Okay. Now Rahul had money rupees 8,515. How much money he has withdrawn? Rupees 3,980. Now how much money is left with Rahul? That we can find only by doing subtraction. After subtraction we will get as rupees 4,535. Next example, Anuj is a good cricket player. He requires 185 more runs to score a total of 5,000 runs. How many runs has he scored so far? Write the number sentence. Now, Anuj is a cricket player and he requires 185 runs to score a total of 5,000 runs. 5,000 runs complete करने के लिए उसको 185 runs चाहिए. How many runs has he scored so far? Now we have to find till now how many scores he has scored, and after that we have to write the number sentence. Anuj requires 185 more runs to score a total of how much? 5,000 runs. So therefore Anuj score means therefore runs scored by Anuj that we can find by doing subtraction of 185 runs out of 5,000 runs. So after that we get as 4,815. It means Anuj has scored 4,815. So number sentence is equal to 5000 minus 185 is equal to 4815. Next example, there are 2,520 seats in a cinema hall. One day 1,945 persons saw the movie. How many seats remain vacant? Vacant means khali. Number of seats in cinema hall, total seats that is given 2,520. Number of persons saw movie in one day means used seats that is 1,945. Now vacant seats means खाली seats हम कैसे find कर सकते हैं? After subtraction. So it will be 575. Next is there are 5,125 students in a school. If the number of boys is 3,809, find the number of girls. Write the solution sentence. Total students in a school is given. Number of boys is given. Now we have to find the number of girls. From total students we will subtract the number of boys, then we will get number of girls in a school. After that we have to write the solution sentence also. So number of students that is given 5,125. Number of boys that is also given, that is 3,809. Now we have to find number of girls that we can find by subtraction. So it is equal to 1,316. Now solution sentence. Number of girls in a school is equal to 1,316. Question 5 is the sum of two numbers is 48,275. If one of them is 39,835, find the other. Now sum of two numbers is given. First number is given, other we have to find. So that we can find by subtraction only. So therefore other number is equal to 8,437. Next is Seema added 11,780 to a number. She got the sum as 18,035. What was the number she started with? Now Seema added 11,780 to a number. किसी नंबर में ये नंबर्स इसने ऐड किए. उन ऐड करने के बाद उसको सम कितना मिलता है? 18,035. हमने बताना है कि उसने किस नंबर से स्टार्ट किया था. तो सम वी हैव that is 18,035. First number that she has added that is also given, that is 11,780. So we have to find the number from which she has started. That we can find by subtraction. So it will be 6255. Next is a factory produced 13,285 TV sets in April and 20,302 TV sets in May. Find the increase in the number of TV sets. Produced means banana. Okay, TV sets produced in May, that is given 20,302. TV sets produced in April, that is also given 13,285. Now we have to find the increase production in the number of TV sets. Okay, now here you have seen that the TV sets produced in May, first I have written and then I have written TV sets produced in April, because production of TV sets in the month of May is more than April. So we can find the increased number of TV sets by doing subtraction. So it will be 7017. Next is 43,742 persons came to see a football match on Sunday. 27,936 persons came on Monday. How many more persons visited on Sunday? Write the number sentence. Now number of persons visited on Sunday, that is also given. Number of persons visited on Monday, that is also given. Now we have to find how many more persons visited on Sunday, that we can find by doing subtraction. After subtraction it is equal to 15,806. Now we have to write the number sentence also. So number sentence is equal to 43742 minus 27936 is equal to 15806. Next is Deepika bought a motorcycle for rupees 40,000 and a scooter for rupees 28,560. How much did she pay more for the motorcycle? Cost of motorcycle is given, cost of scooter is also given. Now we have to find how much more money she has paid for motorcycle. मोटरसाइकिल के लिए उसने कितनी मनी एक्स्ट्रा पे की है. So we will subtract the cost price of scooter from the cost price of motorcycle. So therefore money paid more for motorcycle is equal to rupees 11,440. Next is solve the following. Now terms are given. Now here you can see we have two operations. Operations in the sense addition as well as subtraction. Okay, here we will use DAMAS. DAMAS means DMAS. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Now here subtraction and addition. DMAS. AS. First addition, then subtraction. So first we will add the terms. See, first term से पहले कोई भी साइन नहीं है, ना ही प्लस का है ना ही साइन माइनस का है. इट मीन्स दैट इज़ अ पॉजिटिव टर्म. पॉजिटिव मीन्स उसके आगे किसका साइन होगा? प्लस का होगा. सो हम प्लस साइन वाली टर्म साइड में कर लेंगे और माइनस वाली साइड में. साइन हम वही देखेंगे जो टर्म से पहले होगा. सो 4523 प्लस 684 माइनस 2312 एज इट इज़. अब फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स को हम प्लस करेंगे. इट विल बी 5207 माइनस 2312 एज इट इज़. नाउ वी विल डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 2895. Similar is the case here. First term is positive, next two terms are negative. So first term as it is, next two negative terms. This chapter integer you will study in class 6. Now minus and minus is equal to plus, but sign will be minus. जब भी माइनस माइनस दो साइन होंगे वो दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे? प्लस हो जाएंगे, बट दोनों का साइन क्या रहेगा? माइनस. सो नेक्स्ट टर्म में देखेंगे माइनस ऐसे ही रहेगा, बट एक्चुअल में हम इन दोनों टर्म्स को क्या करेंगे? प्लस करेंगे. सो इट इज़ 16,029. नाउ we have to do the subtraction. So it is equal to 32,740. Next is Rohit collected 20,815 stamps, 936 were from USA and 18,390 from India. How many are from other countries? Now, stamps from USA, that is also given. Stamps from India, that is also given. Now, total stamps of USA and India that we can find by addition. After addition, we get stamps from USA and India, that is 19,326. Now we have to find how many are from other countries. Now total stamps is given, that is 20,815. Now stamps collected from USA and India, that is also given, that we have just found it here, that is 19,326. Now we have to find stamps collected from other countries. Other countries means इंडिया और यूएसए के अलावा कौन सी कंट्री से, मीन्स कितनी स्टैम्प्स हैं, दैट वी कैन फाइंड बाय डूइंग सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो इट विल बी 1489. Next is a shopkeeper has 27,040 oranges. He sold 12,285 on Monday and 9,806 on Tuesday. How many oranges does he have now? शॉपकीपर के पास टोटल ऑरेंजेस कितने हैं वो गिवन है. उसने मंडे को कितने बेचे और ट्यूसडे को कितने बेचे वो भी हमें गिवन है. हमें बताना है कि उसके पास अब कितने ऑरेंजेस हैं. टोटल में से जो उसने मंडे ट्यूसडे को बेचे वो हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, पहले सोल्ड ऑरेंजेस फाइंड आउट करने हैं जो मंडे और ट्यूसडे को सोल्ड किए. तो मंडे और ट्यूसडे के सोल्ड ऑरेंजेस को हम पहले क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. देन वी कैन फाइंड टोटल सोल्ड ऑरेंजेस ऑन मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे, दैट इज 22,091. नाउ शॉपकीपर के पास टोटल ऑरेंजेस कितने हैं, 27,040, दैट इज गिवन. नाउ ऑरेंजेस सोल्ड ऑन मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे दैट वी हैव जस्ट फाउंड, दैट इज इक्वल टू 22,091. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑरेंजेस लेफ्ट विद शॉपकीपर, कि शॉपकीपर के पास अब कितने ऑरेंजेस हैं, दैट वी कैन फाइंड बाय डूइंग सब्ट्रैक्शन, दैट इज 4,949. दीज आर द ऑरेंजेस लेफ्ट विद shopkeeper. Next is from 83,025 meter long wire, two pieces measuring 38,239 meter and 23,728 meter were cut off. Cut off means total wire में से हमने दो pieces जो length हमें given है वो two pieces काट लिए. Find the length of the remaining wire. जब टोटल वायर में से दो पीसीस हमने काट लिए तो हमारे पास कितनी वायर बचेगी वो हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो लेंथ ऑफ फर्स्ट पीस ऑफ वायर दैट इज गिवन, लेंथ ऑफ सेकंड पीस ऑफ वायर दैट इज आल्सो गिवन. नाउ लेंथ ऑफ टू पीसेस ऑफ वायर जो कट की गई हैं हम वो दोनों को प्लस करेंगे, फिर जो टोटल लेंथ ऑफ वायर है उसमें से इसको क्या कर देंगे, माइनस कर देंगे. सो लेंथ ऑफ टू पीसेस ऑफ वायर दैट इज 61,967 meters. Now total length of wire that is given 83,025 meter. Length of two pieces of wire just we have found, that is 61,967 meter. So now we can easily find the length of remaining wire by doing subtraction, that is 21,058 meters. Last example is the population of a town is 82,010. If 43,413 are men, 25,929 are women and the remaining are children, find the number of children. Now total population of village that is given, number of men that is given, number of women that is also given. Now we have to find the number of children. So first of all we have to find the total of men and women, that we can find by doing addition. So total number of men and women is equal to 69,342. So total population of a town that is given 82,010. So from this we will subtract the number of men and women, that is equal to 69,342. So number of children easily we can find by doing subtraction, that is 12,668. So in this way, we can solve the word problems based on subtraction.